Okay, so this time we're going to be focusing more on Windows. They have other features in Windows 11. They might be in Windows 10, but this is for Windows 11. We're focusing on because we need everything we can get out of Windows 11, as you all know. Really. And this should go for both the Home, Pro, and Enterprise. I took a photocopy, so this is what you're gonna go for, and you would search for that in the search bar. Okay, I don't know why that name's showing up. Should not show up. So by default, these are what's on. But you want to change these settings here, so you're gonna have to hit this and change these settings. By default, those settings are, well, I guess they were 45. I don't remember offhand, but they were large. You want to look like this, so duplicate this and this, and you leave the 500 up there. And if you got that kind of space, it depends what you got for hard drive space in your system. Everybody's going to be different. Then you restart the computer. You should notice a big improvement. You don't want Windows update to take advantage of your bandwidth, and it'll suck a lot. That's why you might not notice. You might be playing a game or something, or doing something on the computer, and you should do this for all your PCs on your network and your Wi-Fi, especially those of us on Wi-Fi. All right, so this is what you see. Okay, great. That's it. This is a simple video. This is simple to do. Okay. Gee, where is this again? Well, yeah, you look when you just type delivery optimizer, it'll pop up on the screen. Right. Limit how much bandwidth to use per downloading and updates. So that's what you're doing. You're changing that. Okay, dokie. All right. Hey, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Okay, our goal is 1,000. I know, we're getting there. It's a long haul. We just need you guys to subscribe. I know in the past, hey, this is 2023. I need you to subscribe. Okay, if you find this information useful, anything else, I'm trying to work on the network buffers because by default, network buffers are pretty low. But a lot of it depends on either your wired NIC card buffer. Okay, those settings are pretty much by the manufacturer. But I know that Microsoft had their own settings. I used to play around, well, not play around with this. Back in the day, we used to configure the memory to increase it. Today, we really don't have to mess around with that too much because by default, it's better to have more RAM. But if you have SSDs and stuff like that, you can tap into that. That's basically memory. You can use that to swap, and you have a better system. But Windows will always use swappable RAM from the hard drive or the SSD. But that's the way they make it. You can just run it on the RAM alone because once the RAM can run out and it has nowhere to go. A way that's the way they have it set up, and there's no way around it. People used to think, hey, we just set it for the RAM, and yeah, but what happens when the RAM gets used up? You just you're kind of screwed. So, all right. So remember, when you change these settings, reboot the PC, and you'll see your results. Okay, dokie. Make sure you do all the other changes too. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, you gotta subscribe. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.